me get this seatbelt on. Let's see here. What's up, everybody? Chris here with Viral Tech, and I'm on my way to do something so fun. David bought a computer from us. David's son found us on TikTok or Instagram, and he's been looking for PCs for quite some time now, and he showed his dad, and his dad wants to get him one of our PCs, the Snow White XL to be exact. His son just made D1 soccer team, and his dad wants to recognize him for all of that hard work he's put in. He's been practicing daily, putting in the grind for years and years and years, and has finally paid off, and his dad wants to show him a little appreciation with one of our builds for Christmas. So we're on our way to go see him. We're actually gonna fire it up, put it in the back of the truck with a generator, turn it on, and reveal it at the gas station. They're on their way from Florida to Michigan for Christmas to see some family. We're in Cincinnati. This is on the route to Michigan for their family. So on their way, we're gonna meet him, give him his PC, and let him game all week while he's with his family. So the next time you see me, we'll be setting up to do the big reveal.
We're getting a lot of stairs.
There's a good chance, SM, I started this up.
We think they're coming. We think they're coming. Maybe, maybe so. The wait. Tell him what car you're in.
Oh, yep. Yeah, that's them. That's them. We're just gonna peek out. Braden's gonna go into the gas station, then we're gonna take the tarp off, maybe.
Oh, shit. Might be them. I don't know. Gotta create a little bit of awkwardness. Like we're just we're out here just camping out at
we got
Subway's got a special deal on footlongs.
We got the generator going.
All up behind you.
Yep. That's them. Looks like he's pumping gas. He's about to be ready here. Can't see. Think we should just lift the tarp up now?
Huh?
Think we should lift it up now? I think he's like pumping gas.
Huh?
He's pumping gas.
We're doing like a vlog style thing. Vlog? Yeah.
Vlog.
We actually got
Hold on. He said hold on. Oh, look at them puppies.
What are you guys filming?
What
are you guys filming?
We got a YouTube channel.
A YouTube channel?
Yeah.
like a vlog thing.
Brady, you're into that stuff, aren't you? Kind of.
Yeah, we build computers.
What?
We build computers.
Like these computers. You ever seen these?
What's the name of your...
Huh?
What's the name of your company?
Viral.
Dude.
Seen these computers?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I was seriously gonna buy one.
Really?
Yes.
You want to buy that one?
For how much?
Huh?
For how much?
Nah, we just... What else? You follow us?
Yes.
No.
Look, I was showing, no joke, I was showing you
That's
the
the
other
one you
day.
were showing me the other
Yeah.
That's
day?
the one?
I don't know.
Hold on. This is an XL. Why XL 3080?
Yeah.
That's the one that you wanted?
Yeah.
Ryzen 9 3080.
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Dude, I see you.
Cheers. What? That's yours.
Are you for real?
100%.
Your dad wanted to surprise you. You've been putting in the work with soccer, made the soccer team.
That's yours, dude. This guy.
So random.
We coordinated
He's the
this.
man. He's
We
the man.
coordinated this whole thing, dude.
Yes.
How'd you even find
He's
it?
the man. You made it happen. Just let you know. You got a good
Dude,
guy right here.
This guy jumped over a lot of people to get this to you
Hold on, we gotta find
today
the dog.
on our
Yeah, where
way.
did he just go?
Braden,
Nope.
hey, these guys rearranged the world to get this for you today. Because I talked to him about it.
Going up to Michigan. We're on the way to Michigan. So
That's insane. Thank you guys.
no, thank you guys. We're glad you like it. Got him.
Yeah.
Sam's gonna be mad. Sam was
This-
busy with
This is our first actual product that we have.
Are these
They're
the blue light lyrics?
glasses? So we're gonna, me and Chris want to gift you a pair of these.
Aw.
It's not much, but
How nice,
just
man.
appreciate.
I ordered one of your sweatshirts that got
I saw
mailed,
that.
too.
Nice. Did it get delivered yet?
Probably we're on our way.
Dude, this is. This might be. This. It's for my favorite Christmas gift ever. 3080 or 3090?
3080 Ryzen 9.
Yeah, Ryzen 9, 3080. Anything and everything. We build computers. We're a computer company. We kind of correlated
famous
with
one.
this.
You gotta buy
They're
one.
coming from Florida, so we met them and we usually ship them.
Okay.
Is this?
So it's ready to go. Just plug in a keyboard and mouse and you're ready to go.
Yep.
Thank you, Dad. Dude, you should have told me. I brought my mouse. I can get one of them.
You'll figure something out. Right? So this is like some serious piece of equipment I've come to understand.
Nicest one of the nicest PCs you can probably get right now.
Yeah, when strangers are stopping.
Yeah.
He's like, how'd you get a 3080?
Oh, he's like a computer guy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of, it's getting bigger, you think, right?
Oh, 100%.
PC, it's blowing up right now.
Chris said that he thought that. I was like, dude, this is a big investment. Braden might not be into this for so long, and
I told you, it's like a next 10-year thing.
So how freaking fun was that, man? Braden was super stoked. He found us on TikTok. He was just showing his dad kind of in passing. David, you're a great guy. He took notes. He planned it. He said, we're going to Florida. We're going to Michigan from Florida. You guys are along the way. What do you guys think about a meetup? David, I don't know how you're going to top this one next year, but man, what an awesome gift. Braden, congratulations on that D1 scholarship for soccer. I just super love and appreciate your passion and drive for that. And I know you got big things ahead of you for your future. So once again, thank you, David and Brendan. Appreciate everything.